All right, what we have here is a 2011 Toyota Sienna. We're going to put a visor or a rain guard or whatever that called is. So it's a piece of plastic that stick on the top of your window so that you can, while you're driving, you can open it a little bit. While it's raining, you can open your window so that the rain will not go inside. So we're going to put that here. All right, so here's our visor. Order online. So we'll take a look what we have. So this should cover the front, both side, and the back window. So these two, it's for the front, I believe, and this is for the rear window. And here's your cleaning kit. Instructions. All right. So alcohol pads. So it's a great deal. Comes with everything you need. So let's install this thing. All right, the instruction says we have to clean, obviously, the part where we're going to put the visor, because it's a stick-on visor. So you gotta have to make sure that it's clean. As you can see, it's really dirty. So make sure it's clean. If you don't clean this properly, so you can see how dirty that is, and it will just come out. It will not stick. Well, it may stick for a while, but it will not last. So you gotta make sure it's really clean, and it provides you with the alcohol and everything. Alright, so before you go ahead and stick the thing, you gotta make sure it's perfectly fit. Right, so you can see it's not even 100%, but I believe it's gonna go up to here, right? That's all right. There's a little bit gap at the back, but it's not a big deal. So that's what it's gonna look like. So now you gotta make sure that it's really clean, because as you can see, this is a double-sided tape. That's the only thing that holds this. All right, so once the spot is dry, right, make sure it's completely dry. They provide you with these alcohol wipes. So you go ahead and apply this alcohol. Right, there's a little bit dirt there, but so the key thing here is that you gotta make sure that it's really clean in order for this thing to last. Right, so now you're gonna wait until the dry the alcohol, and then you're gonna apply the next coat. Right, so once it's dry, they provide you with this adhesion promoter. So you apply this last, and then you can stick on the visor. Smells like glue. All right. Now you're gonna wait it out, let it dry, and then you can put the visor. All right, so here's our visor. So as much as possible, you only do this one shot, right? There's no room actually for a mistake. So if you want to do this right, you gotta make sure you do this at once. So now you're gonna have to peel this tape here. So don't when you peel the tape, don't peel all the way, all of it. Just leave like this, right? So that you can align. Once you align it, and then if you're happy, then just pull the tape all the way. Yeah, see this mistake here? So there you go. Okay, now you can pull this away. And that's it. Just push it. Make sure it sticks there. So the instruction is that it won't allow you to drive when you, as soon you apply this. The instruction said they don't want you to apply to ride it. So the instruction here says they don't drive you. They don't want you to drive speed over 100 within 24 hours after installation, right? So there's a restriction after you put this, so that and don't drive within 12 hours after installation. So at least it will give the glue to dry and stick there. So now what I'm gonna do is the back side. So now for the back window, you gotta have to pay attention, because you see this side here, this is the front side. As you can see, it's smooth, and the other side is there's a bump, right? Because this bump will align onto the back side of the window, which is there's a molding there. That's where the bump is, for the molding. So you can see the front, there is no bump, it's smooth. So that goes to the front here. So that means this is not universal, or you can't put this vice versa on the other side. You cannot put this, you know, these only go one way. All right, so you gotta make sure that you keep on mind of that one. Right, so when you align top, then you can put tape, and then stick them, right? You have to put pressure because it might not stick on first push. But that looks good to me, right? All right, so that's what's look like now. So obviously the other side is going to be the same install. So that's it. Thank you for watching.